Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by setting a clear origin point in one corner of the room and orienting yourself to the main walls. Use a tape or laser measure to capture the first wall length and immediate adjoining wall. Write each number next to the wall on graph paper. Once done, measure door and window positions from that same origin so all dimensions reference one consistent point. Make sure to note whether corners are square or skewed, because that changes how you draw adjoining lines later. You now tackle irregular parts by breaking the floor plan into simple shapes and measuring each segment individually. For an L shape, measure the two rectangles separately and note the shared wall length. Measure offsets, built-ins, and fixtures from the nearest wall and record perpendicular distances. This prevents cumulative error. Once done, take a diagonal measurement across larger rooms to confirm squareness and write down ceiling height at one or two spots to ensure vertical consistency when translating to scale. You finish by transferring every measured length to a scaled drawing, using your graph paper grid or floor plan software, and maintaining the same origin point. Once drawn, sum wall segments and compare opposite walls and diagonals to validate the plan. Small mismatches are normal, but reconcile any discrepancy beyond your tolerance. If something is off by more than about 1% or 5 cm, remeasure the segment directly and check that you measured perpendicular distances rather than slanted ones. This usually fixes persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.